Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply loan crypto on your Binance mobile app. It's an easy process once you've logged into Binance by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video. If you do not possess a Binance account, you can use that link to simply register, verify, and get yourself an account on Binance and stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you do all of that. So guys, once you've logged in with your verified account, your next step is to make sure you have collateral, which is necessary for every loan. So head over to the wallet section, and your collateral should mainly be on the spot wallet, seeing as that's the only wallet that is recognized for this transaction or for this crypto loan. So make sure you have collateral, and most likely the best collateral you can have should be in BNB or on the USDT or Ethereum. So now once you've gotten yourself some collateral, head over to the home and select the more icon. And once you've selected the more icon, simply scroll down till you can find the finance menu. Now this finance menu holds the Binance Pay and the Binance loans and the Binance card, as well as the send cash. So select the loans. Once there, you're met with the Binance loan menu, where you can simply click on start borrowing. Or if you want to look at the loan data, you can look at this as well for your transaction limits, how much profit you can make, how much is going to be charged on the loan. So now, in order to start the borrowing process, click on start borrowing, and then you're met with the loan type. We have the flexible rate, we have the 7-day stable rate, we have the 30-day stable rates. Now, the flexible interest loans or the flexible interest rate loan has floating interest rate, which is updated every minute based on the market. It uses a simple earn feature, and it works on the spot wallet. It uses the spot wallet as its supply. So now once you've selected the loan type you wish, let's say a 7-day stable rate, enter the amount of USDT. Let's say I want 100 USDT. I'm going to need 0.71 of the BNB in exchange. So now at least we know how much BNB is needed as collateral to start the borrowing process. And also you can have a look at the annualized interest rate, which is 5.09%, and then your initial loan term value. And if your loan term value, as you can see, the risk level is also shown. If your loan term value, that's the LTV, which is basically your value, the value of your loan to the value of your collateral, which could appreciate or depreciate depending on circumstances. And these circumstances is what we have the risk level here. So if you check it out, it says the loan term value reaches 83%, or BNB USDT, that's what you're actually doing. It's a spot trade loan, reaches 168.492. Your collateral would be sold to repay the debt. And also, please make sure you've read the Binance Loan Service Agreement, which is just here. Make sure you've read this terms and conditions. And this is not financial advice, but make sure you're careful. So guys, that's how you can simply get a crypto loan. Do comment down below if you've got any questions, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.